This is Michael with SoftwareOasis.com. I have over 25 years of experience with CRM software. I have grown 3 internet businesses to millions of dollars in annual online sales in that time. I've also spent over a decade on the front lines prospecting, selling, and providing solutions to SMB and enterprise clients. The one common thread between all was a well-structured CRM solution. In this 4-part video series, I will share my best tips and tricks to help you succeed with your CRM solution. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch all 4 videos in this series. Video number 1 covers what is CRM software and why do businesses need it. Video number 2 covers how to choose the right CRM software. Video number 3 covers how to use CRM software to improve your sales process. And video number 4 covers how to use CRM software to improve customer service. So let's get started. How to use CRM software to improve your sales process. In this video, I will share some tips on using CRM software to improve your sales process. A CRM, or a customer relationship management system, helps you organize and track all your interactions and prospects and customers over time. This gives you a centralized place to view leads, opportunities, and account details in real time and across your organization. Here are 3 stories on how CRM software has helped me improve my own sales process, and hopefully these stories will give you some ideas in your own world. When I started my first company, I didn't have a CRM. I kept all my notes in a spreadsheet. I tried to keep track of emails, calls, and meetings with prospects. It was all, quite honestly, a mess. I ended up missing follow-ups, which cost me deals. Once I got a CRM in place in that company, it became much easier, and our operation grew very quickly. Everyone on the team was clued into what was going on, and all my interactions were logged automatically. The CRM reminds me when to follow up so I don't drop the ball anymore, to be honest with you. I can immediately see what stage a deal is at rather than digging through notes, prioritize what to focus on. I can identify patterns in my pipeline. My CRM really helps me to see to make the most of my deals, and deals that were stalling out at different stages. For example, some in the proposal stage. I realized I needed to improve my proposals and add more detail. So I started sending samples to my prospects earlier, and I saw my close rates increase. Finally, CRM software has helped me coordinate better with my sales team overall. We can all access a centralized database to see interactions with prospects. We can transition prospects from one rep to another. I can also run reports to see each rep's performance and identify coaching needs and opportunities. So, in summary, my 3 biggest tips are as follows. Log all your prospect interactions automatically so you don't miss any follow-ups. You can automate these processes so that it's not tedious. Number 2, use reports to analyze your pipeline and find areas for improvement and opportunities for deals you can close. And 3, enable your team to share information on prospects to coordinate better. With the right CRM system and some effort in optimizing your process, you can really increase sales. Try implementing some of these tips and let me know how they work for you. If you found these tips helpful, please help us out by sharing our channel. Whether you can help us reach 1 new subscriber or 1 million, your support is truly appreciated. Also, be sure to sign up anywhere on the website. You'll see we have a newsletter. Each week we send out exclusive tips with the latest software trends that we do share early with email subscribers. So be sure you get on the list.